What up, y'all? Texas City coming to you with another unboxing video. We got the special Kyrie 4 in the BHM colorway. As you can see, got a special box with the BHM printed at the top right there. The official colors for the shoe is multicolor. And Kyrie's Black History Month shoe conveys a strong message, as you can see. Throughout the entire upper, it has equality printed throughout the mesh and the leather backing on the shoe, and it features the colorways, the colorway of the Pan-African flag, which is pretty cool, on the outsole, which is green, black, and red. And yeah, pretty straightforward with the shoe, especially with the message on there. And a lot of basketball players as well as athletes are known to express how they feel with whatever is going on politically around the world, and Kyrie was never shy of expressing how his views and his thoughts on world events. So the Kyrie 4, as you can see, for BHM, has a strong equality message, and it's been a strong message throughout Nike's entire line. Let's start with the outsole. As you can see, it has the Pan-African colors on the outsole of the shoe in red, black, and green. And you have your classic, obviously, Kyrie 4 outsole that's rounded to suit his style of play with a Zoom Air bag on the heel. Midsole has that color combination, as you can see, as well as red on the one side and then green on the inside. Upper part of the sneaker features a combination of mesh and also leather on the heel of the shoe. And what I love about the sneaker is obviously the message. Equality at the front over here is kind of like a plastic that kind of sits above your mesh, whereas on the heel it's kind of debossed on the leather right there. And one of my things that I like the most about this is the the swoosh on the side right there is kind of like stitched in, and it's like a heavy stitch on there, which is a pretty cool look. Shoe has dynamic fly wire only at the front of the shoe right there, and then it comes with circular laces with your gold logos at the top, and then you got the Kyrie logos on the inside part of your shoe. That's pretty much it for the Kyrie 4 BHM. Let's check out what these guys look like on feet. Alright guys, so this is what the Kyrie 4 in the BHM colorway looks like on feet. These shoes are made tight as well, so if you guys are going to go half a size up, definitely recommend doing something like that. But these are pretty cool on feet and holds a strong message. So it's definitely one of the best ones in the BHM colorway. I still think the LeBrons are the nicest ones, but to each his own. So yeah, like I said, half a size up in these Kyrie 4s. Let me know what you guys think about these Kyries. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to see more sneaker reviews in the near future. Peace, guys. Thank you.